What's up? Welcome back to my channel, y'all. So today I'm going to be showing you guys the morning routine of a village girl. So I'm just going to show you guys what I do in the morning in this village. So this morning we're preparing beans for breakfast. Oh, I hate beans so much, but what can I do? Let me show you guys. Show you guys a closer look of the food. Can you see that? Oh, man, firewood they use for you. No money to buy gas. Firewood things. This is the village. This is what we do. Okay, so come along with me, guys. This is our pot of beans and it is ready. I just want to stir a little and taste. Oh, mommy, I like to taste food also. This is me just tasting the beans and it is ready. So I'm having pap or akamu with sugar for breakfast and beans. That's pomo by the side. And in case you didn't know, I'm a nail technician, so I just got a new acrylic brush and I decided to test it out, and it's actually very good. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.